Hello everyone, my name is Sohel and you are watching the Insight Aspects. In this video, I am going to give you the detailed information regarding the specialization courses offering by many colleges in Hyderabad like Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning and Data Science. I am also going to clear all your doubts regarding the main two core branches like IT and CSC. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Currently in Telangana, the process of taking admissions into the engineering college is going on. Many students are taking admissions through MCET counseling and some are going through management quota seats. First of all, I am going to clear your doubts regarding computer science engineering and IT. Basically, the 80% syllabus of these two branches is nearly equal. There is only a slight difference. Nearly one or two subjects in computer science engineering are not included in IT engineering. One more point I would like to share with you guys. If you are a student who placed in IT branch because of not getting a seat in CSC, then don't worry. When we enter in second and third year of college, we will have open electives. Open electives means optional subjects. In open electives, we have all freedom to choose the subject which is favorite for us. So my point is that if you got seat in IT instead of getting in CSC, then no worries. These two branches are almost same. For making them 100% same, you just have to choose the subjects of CSC which are not of part in IT in electives. Now let's move on to the new branches. First of all, we will discuss about data science. In this path, you have career options like data scientist, data analyst, and data engineer, etc., which are some of the best job opportunities we can say. And now moving towards artificial intelligence and machine learning, we have job opportunities like machine learning engineer, artificial intelligence engineer, business intelligence developer, robotic scientist, and research scientist. The point is that if you select these special branches, you will have all projects related to these topics only. Where in CSC, almost every topic is covered in projects, including machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, and etc. When we talk about placements, the companies will consider all these branch students as equal. Almost 99% students are considered equal in placements. But the projects of artificial intelligence and machine learning make your CV more impressed than CSC. Because these are new technologies and the companies also thinks that these students wants to learn some new things. So the interviewer will ask all the questions related to these topics only. So if you are a student of artificial intelligence and machine learning, then you have higher chances to be placed in multinational company. But if you are not interested in these special topics like artificial intelligence and machine learning and data science, and you are interested in some other things like app development or web development, etc. And if you made all the projects related to these topics, then interviewer will ask all the questions related to these technologies only. And if you have the complete knowledge on that technology, then interviewer will feel very happy and you will have better chances of getting a placement in big company. So my point is that no matter which field you select, the only point is that you should have complete knowledge about that field. There are so many different companies who hire students from different fields. If you have some good skills and good knowledge about a particular field, then you will have some higher chances for getting a better placement in a good company. The point is that you should have the complete knowledge about the field that you are selected. So at the end, I would like to tell you guys that the companies will not allow the students on the basis of which branch they are from. They allow all the students from different branches. And the students with some good skills only get selected for jobs. So it's not about the branch that you have selected. It's all about the skills that you have. So guys, don't get worried about selecting a particular branch. Just go through your interest and make some good skills in that. So that's it for today guys. We'll see you in next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye.